with the hard tactics. Hit ya with the hard tactics. Hit ya with the hard tactics.
Hit you with the pump tactics.
Hit you with the hard pump tactics. Bankrolls come straight for the assets. No games, no throw, won't pass it. Pick you up, spit you out like Jurassic. Oh, no for the rigmarole, we kick pros. Stub toes, I suppose you might know. Hit the block, then you flock. Time's up, now you're about to get clocked.
Spicy like pepper, 1-2 stepper. Laid back, motivated, money go getter. Never felt better, write me love letters. Shooting up the spike chain, Megadeth tether. Get over here like Scorpion. Put you to sleep, cold Vulcan. Should I assist you or do you get the picture? If you don't budge, I'm gonna have to hit ya.
Hit ya with the hard tactics. Hit ya with the hard tactics. Hit ya with the hard tactics.
Hit you with the pump tactics.
Yo, the lace is loose and fist tight. I never lose a fist fight. Sun up and up all night. If I'm gonna do it, then I'm gonna do it right.
B to the R to the A to the E. F what you think, I'ma stay G. H is for hot, cause that's what I be. IJK, I'm cold like Slurpee.
Ooh, goddamn, I drop bombs. I was born with the brains in the brawn. I am the king, and you're just a pawn. Who's got the high ground now, Obi-Wan?
Alphabet rhymes like chicken noodle soup. Two-door beamer, pick you up in the coop. Shooting for the hoop, jiggy on the loose. Shark mentality like my name Bruce.
Hit you with the pump tactics. Hit you with the pump tactics. Hit you with the pump tactics.
Hit ya with the hard tactics. Hit ya with the hard tactics. Hit ya with the hard tactics.
Hit you with the pump tactics.
Hit ya with the hard tactics. Hit ya with the hard tactics. Hit ya with the hard tactics.
Hit you with the pump tactics.